Good morning again, sports car world. This is Cody here with Card Attractions. Just as I said, we are going to go over some 1995 Major League Upper Deck SP. Let's see what's inside here. This is actually about a $50 box. Not bad. A lot less than the 96 SP, that's for sure. There's the sticker on the front. Super nice here. We've been sitting on this table for quite some time now. Cool box though. Let's start with this first pack here. Might use the scissors on these. Not. It's Ruben Rivera. It's a nice card. Hey, there's a nice David Justice there. Roger Clemens. Very nice card. I'll sleeve them up later. A Ruben JR. It's a red too. So there's reds and blues. Fred McGriff. Very nice card there. Here we go. We got two die cut cards. One's a Cecil Fielder and the other one's a Veras. So that's super nice. Both super nice cards there. Sleeve these up just to protect them. Two very nice cards. And then the last one here is Rod Beck. Putting on some boxing gloves. So very nice. Not so bad for the first pack, I guess. Alright, pack number 2. Ray Durham. It's another one of them die cut cards. These are cool. Nice. Yeah, Andre Dawson, nice. Rafael Camaro, nice. Roberto Alomar. Terry Pendleton. Joe Oliver. Another different color there. These are very nice cards. Alright, keep ripping these, get through these. Sometimes I take my time too, especially when I haven't opened the box before, the Pacific brand. So I like looking at them too. Freddie Garcia. It's a nice card. I just really like the style, I guess. Ron Gant. Wilson Alvarez. Sean Green. Jeff Connie. Hey, old Brett Butler. I'll hang on to him. Alex Gonzalez. Nice. And Tony Gwynn. I'll hang on to him too. So, not bad. Nikowski. CJ Nikowski. Hey, Frankie T. Got Frank Thomas out of here. That's nice. I do not have this Frank Thomas, so I will take it. Very nice. Big Hurt. I'll take him. Dean Palmer. Jose Rio. Greg Jeffries. Oh, this is Sammy Sosa. Keep that one. And Dave Hollins. This is 95 Upper Deck SP. I got regular 95 too. I just haven't got into them yet. They're right over here. That's a really nice George Brett card. Die cuts again. Nice. Bill Swift, Carlos Baerga. Hey, Will Clark. I got my PC right there. Reggie Saunders. Ron Gant, Platinum Power. Die cut card again. Brian Hunter. And Bernard Gilkey. I actually like the design on these cards. These are kind of cool. Probably should have read the box. Just kind of like to know the difference between the red, the blue, and the diamond looking color. But that's a weird name there. Nice card. Hey, Ricky Henderson. Will also go with my PC. Very nice card. Randy Myers. Scott Cooper. Ray Lankford. Antonio Osana. Nice. Deion Sanders. Definitely hang on to him. Mo Vaughn. Edgar Martinez. Another Sosa. Oh, I got a blue and a diamond one. Nice. Lenny Dykstra. Man, a lot of up and downs. So super nice. Teleport through these real quick. No Chili Davis. Juan Gonzalez. Tom Glavine. I'll hang on to him for sure. Dennis Martinez and a Ken Hill. So Dustin Hermanson. Brian McRae. Mike Messina, hang on to that. Marquise Grissom. Rhonda White. Kurt Gibson and Eddie Williams. Paul O'Neill, hang on to him. Raul Mondesi. Paul O'Neill Platinum, a red and a platinum colored, nice. Take them both. Honestly, I didn't think there was this many packs in this box, but there's a lot more than I thought. That's very nice. These are such nice cards. Steve Avery. Oh, Wade Boggs, I'll hang on to him. Gary Sheffield, I'll hang on to him. Raul Mondesi, another Sheffield in the platinum, nice. Or diamond, whatever you want to call it. Just blue, red, and silver. Hey, Hideo Nomo there. I think I'll just leave this one up. $95. Yep, this is a rookie. That's so nice. We got quite a few Nomo cards too. Fred McGriff again. Dennis Martinez. Hey, Mark McGuire. Barry Larkin. Pretty nice. Jeff Bagwell. Was a decent pack there. Tony Clark. Robin Ventura. Hang on to him. Hey, Ken Griffey Jr. in the red. Very nice. Very nice card there. Definitely hang on to that one. Mike Piazza, hang on to. Tony Gwynn again. This is the diamond one, looks like. And J Bell. So very nice. I got a Griffey. Got Thomas. Got Clark. Oh, good row here. Oh, that's a very nice Wade Boggs there. Definitely go with my Wade Boggs guys. Terry Pendleton, Albert Bell, Benji Gill. Nice card, Brian Jordan. Jimmy Hurst. Jeff Connie, Alex Fernandez, David Cohn, Mark Grace, Platinum Power, Mark McGuire. It's a nice card there. Jim Abbott, I'll hang on to that. Sweet. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Dave Winfield, very nice. Tim Solomon, Joe Carter, Chipper Jones, hang on to that. Bobby Jones, Chad Curtis, and a Tom Hinkie. Alright, let's get on to this next row here. Gotta pump these out real quick. Jim Pitsley, Jimmy Castillo, Terry Steinbeck, Bill Swift. Man, nothing real big in that pack. Nothing I was looking for anyways. The Florida Marlin, man. Another Gary Sheffield. Alex Gonzalez, Dante Bichette, Delano Shields, another Boggs, Scott Cooper. Alright. Need to pull another Griffey in a different color. Same thing with Thomas, would be nice. Eddie Murray. They're really nice cards. Another Barry Larkin there. Jim Throne. Ivan Rodriguez. Another Deion Sanders. I'll hang on to him. Harold Baines. We got Darren Dalton. I'll hang on to him too. Alright. Edgardo Alfonso. That's a Cal Ripken. Oh, it's got a little hologram card in it. That is super nice. And some move on. It's very nice. Sure like that Ripken. Look at Griffey like that. Clark, that'd be nice. And it's Cal Ripken Jr. again. Jim Abbott, that's a red one this time. That's Paul Molitor. Let's see, I'll collect him. Brian McRae. Juan Gonzalez again. Matt Cordova, or Marty Cordova. Mark Grace, Tim Raines, Todd Zeeley, Will Cordero, another Gary Sheffield, diamond one there, nice. And Ozzie Smith. Raul Casanova, Chipper Jones, Mickey Tettleton, Steve Avery, Doug Drybay, Tony Tarasco, and Bip Roberts. It's a hard name to say. Hey, Greg Maddox, I'll hang on to them. Chuck Finley, Steve Avery, Rico Brogna, Joey Hamilton, and Dave Clark. Alright guys, we're getting down through here. That's a Nolan Ryan. I'm definitely leaving that because I do not have it. And I've got thousands of Nolan. I got over 1,000 Nolan Ryan cards. I do not have this one. Very nice. When I say 1,000, I mean 1,000 with no duplicates. Larry Walker. And there's a good A-Rod card there. 95. 1995 is his rookie year. Wasn't it? Oh, I'm pretty sure. I thought it was. Very nice. A-Rod. Alright. Nothing else really there. Alright. And I got another Nomo, Hideo Nomo. Nice. Jeff Connie. Tim Solomon. Juan Gonzalez. Another Chipper Jones. Eddie Murray, Platinum Power. Ray Langford and Eddie Williams. Alright guys. We're down to our last 5 packs here of this 95 Upper Deck SP break. Another Boggs checklist. Them things been coming out hot. Another Greg Maddux, nice. Raymond Martinez, Ray Durham. Alright, last 4. If you guys do got comments, feel free to leave them in the box. Tony Clark, Reggie Sanders, Hamilton. We got another Paul O'Neill. It's red. I might just pull all 3 of them. Another Dave Justice. Chuck Finley and Steve Finley. I have hit over 100 subscribers. I've noticed. That's super awesome. I do appreciate you guys that have hit that subscribe button. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit it. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you'll be updated when I'm giving things away. I don't want you to miss out on any of that. Wade Boggs, Larry Walker, we got another Dave Winfield, another Sosa, Anderson, Randy Johnson. That was my first one of him. Definitely need to hang on to him. Andre Dawson, Ruben Sierra, Hideo. Alright guys, 2 more packs left and this is it. I don't know if you guys can see this, but sometimes this happens in cards when you pull them fresh out of the pack. There's a printing line right down the center of this card. It's really hard to see, but it's hard to see on the screen here. But yeah, I hate when that happens. Nothing you can do about it. Tom Glavine. Jeff Bagwell, nice. Brian McRae. Brian Jordan. Alright guys, last and final pack, and then I'll recap a few of the cards. I'm not going to recap them all, just one little pile, I guess. Alright, here we go. We got Curtis Goodwin. Marquise Grissom. There we go, Jose Canseco. Take that. First one out of there. Dennis Eckersley. And that's it, guys. So obviously I put a lot of them over here. I'll put all the die cut cards over here and a lot of other players as well. The biggest ones for me, I'm going to say, they're going to be the Fred McGriff. Definitely the Big Hurt, Frank Thomas there. Will Clark. Ricky Henderson. Deion Sanders. Another good one there. Tom Glavine, another good one there. Fred McGriff duplicate, so that's always nice. And we got Mark McGuire, super nice. Barry Larkin. We got Ken Griffey Jr. Can't go wrong with that. We got another McGuire over here. We got a Platinum Power die cut card. We got Jim Abbott Diamond Level there. We got another Barry Larkin. So we got 2 of them. That's the second Deion Sanders. So we got 2 of them, 2 Fred McGriffs. Nice. Now this Ripken right here is super awesome card. And it's got that little shiny in there. I don't see no numbers or anything on it. Well, that's but very nice card, great condition too. With Cal Ripken, put him right there for now. Another Cal Ripken die cut card, super nice. Jim Abbott, Alex Rodriguez, Nolan Ryan, Randy Johnson, Tom Glavine, and Jose Canseco. So that's it, guys. 1995 Major League Baseball SP Upper Deck. Super nice. Guys, got comments? Leave them in the box. Other than that, stay tuned. I'll be back later. Rip some more baseball. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.